that what I see is that in future, medicine will not be having a fragmented approach. Rather, it will be having an integrated approach, in
Hmm.
which for a special element, we will be having multiple physicians working upon to cure the patient. For example, I will take an example of say frozen shoulder, which is a very common in Indian subcontinent. I don't know
Yeah.
what is the status in Canada. Anand sir can tell more about it. So there is a patient of frozen shoulder coming up. We can first of all try physiotherapy. In addition to that, we can also use some kind of painkillers, which are a part of allopathy for immediate relief.
Yeah.
Simultaneously, we can work upon various yoga asans to build upon the strength of the muscles. Simultaneously, naturopathy can be tried and Ayurveda can be tried for herbal products. And in this way, the muscle, you can say, rejuvenation can be happening. Also, in the coming days, stem cell is going to be booming industry. So stem cell is a you can
Yeah.
say a child of modern medicine. So
Hmm.
in this way, we are having an integrated approach rather than a fragmented approach. And what I will say is that this is like a wheel, and we don't need to focus upon a single spoke rather than the whole circumference. And in this way, what will happen is that the center will be having the maximum benefit. So it's a
Yeah.
wheel concept, and it's the future. And I hope integrative medicine is coming up, and I am also practicing that kind of, yeah, and I'm also collaborating with stuff, and I hope Anand sir is doing that as well.
Absolutely,
What's your
absolutely.
take, sir?
Yeah,
Yeah.
really, really wonderful explanation, Doctor. I really learned from you. The thing is, it's like a wheel. We are
Yeah.
coming to the center point. Center point
Yeah.
is the person with the pain, right?
Hmm.
So we need
Yeah.
to go with a multi-integrated approach or multidisciplinary approach.
Yeah,
You know,
definitely. Hmm.
yeah. Main thing is the awareness to the people is we need to be open to learn from the everyone because every facilities, every field has its own effects. So
Yeah.
we need to openly explore that and then find out whichever suits for them because
Hmm.
somebody may work with something, so we have to go according to that. We cannot
Yeah.
close our mind that okay, I'll go only with one therapy. I don't go about other things. That will not work out. At the end of the day,
Yeah.
cure matters, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's simple kind of stuff. Yeah, I will say it's to be very simple and precise for the audiences. See, our ancestors or even our parents who are in their 50s, they prefer pure Indian food, and we
Yeah.
as a generation prefer a kind of cuisine which is Indian and some part of South Indian dish as well, some part of Italian and all that. Also, pizza is coming up, and we are also digesting it as well as we are enjoying it. But yes, that's the platter, and that what happens when we have a plate with multiple cuisines, and that also satisfies your taste buds and also satisfies your need of various calories and nutrients. In the same way, I hope that integrative medicine will be pursued, and in the down the line 10 years, I believe that the industry is going to be integrated. Yeah, Smriti.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we talked about, yeah. So, both of you have beautifully explained the importance and need of integrative medicine and integrative practice.